Hello my dear friends. Today I wanted to show you what solution I found to be able to bridge to the same polygons, because there was one problem when I wanted to select all the edges at once. For example, when you, I will show you what problems I had when I used the that tool, bridge boundary edges. What you have to do to avoid that error, you probably have to select first of the edge, only one edge, and later on you can select more bridge boundary edges. After when you do that, you can select more edges and to do like that. If you don't know shortcut keywords, you can go to Softimage and you can disconnect panel and you can use panel. What I did, I also assigned some shortcut keywords. When you go to Softimage, I can use K for add edge tool. But I wanted to show you this because it doesn't work the same way like in Blender. Because in Blender, when you select, you can select at once, but unfortunately this program works different way than in Blender. Now we no longer have problems with bridging polygons. What's that? I thought I had the error. I will have to dissolve this loop. Okay, now I connected my fans. You can see it is possible to bridge by using tool bridge boundary edges. But in order for this tool to work properly, you have to add first a polygon, and after that it will work fine. I hope you like my video tutorial. Do not forget to use option freeze and freeze modeling, because it deletes previous inputs and software will not slow down, because it remembers history when you work. For example, if you want to use K tool, I will show you, because I don't know if I talked before about that. Just in case, you see, input history, you don't need that. So you use option freeze modeling and freeze until you no longer have history of your object. But this main topic was about bridge boundary edges.